Guys, as I'm sure you already know, Elon Musk put out a massive tweet a little over a month ago asking people if Tesla should start accepting Dogecoin in exchange for their vehicles. Guys, Elon Musk has just changed his name on Twitter today to Elon Musk II. Guys, people are now speculating that a massive event is coming, and we're going to be discussing that in today's video. We'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. And then watching the charts, I wait for that peak when we've made at least 20 to 30% profits. I then put out another trade alert letting you guys know that I'm selling so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive videos, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, if you think Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my daily Dogecoin uploads. A huge Bitcoin maximalist today just announced on Twitter that Dogecoin is in fact heading to the moon. Guys, this guy had insight with Bitcoin even before it took off. Guys, if he says that Dogecoin is headed to the moon, I trust him as an expert crypto analyst. And his name is Da Vinci Jeremy on Twitter. Bitcoin maxis never pump Doge, so the fact that he's pumping Doge is a massive statement. Let me know your thoughts down below as to why you think he's saying this. Guys, people are thinking that on July 2nd, Tesla may very well in fact accept Dogecoin. Elon Musk has been working with the Dogecoin developers very hard for the last month, just as he has for several years now. However, just within the last month, he's been trying to make it more eco-friendly with lower gas fees and much more efficient transaction rates. This is setting it up perfectly to be ready to accept for Tesla. Guys, massive news. In 2022, you'll actually be able to spend your own Dogecoin from your Dogecoin wallet to actually go on a real-life cruise. This will be a 4-party night event departing out of Miami. Guys, you can bet I will be there. So if you guys want to buy in, we'll in fact be able to party together on the Dogecoin Cruise ship. It's going to be about $800 per person with Dogecoin seminars and cruising straight through the Bahamas. A beach party and a Doge crawl actually through the Bahamas and through Key West bars. Singles parties and a lot more fun. Guys, tune into this because I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on this Dogecoin cruise. Because on Friday, futures contracts expired, let's have a look and see where cryptos have been headed. So Ethereum down almost to $2,000 today, and Dogecoin almost hitting 25 cents. Guys, it was a massive dip today. So if you guys bought into my trade alert on Patreon, congratulations, because we've made a lot of money. Ethereum and Cardano are down 8% just within the last month, and Dogecoin down 6%, proving its stability once again. June is technically a very slow month for cryptocurrencies, historically when we look back at the charts, and it's completely normal. Our trading volume is beginning to slow down, which is okay. It's actually a very good thing, because with high trading volume, as we see the price going down, we can tell that people are selling out a lot. However, with the trading volume going down, we can now tell that it's starting to plateau and trade sideways and getting ready for a breakout to the upside, making it a really great time to get into cryptos and to get into Dogecoin before it goes sky high. People are vacationing right now. They're kind of just relaxing, not paying too much attention to the cryptocurrency market. So if you're paying attention and you're buying at these dips, guys, you are ahead of the rest. When we move into July and August, we will start to see a lot more green days, a lot more green weeks, and you will have been very happy that you got in. You don't want to have FOMO. You want to be getting in. You want to be getting my buy and sell trade alerts so you know the perfect time to get in as I watch the charts throughout the day and I wait for those rare dips so that you can get in at those rare dips and you'll see profits very quickly. We are currently in a very long corrections phase, which is awesome because for every long corrections phase always comes a long bull run thereafter, and you're going to want to be in for that. Guys, if you've been wondering why Elon Musk hasn't been tweeting about Dogecoin in quite a while, guys, my personal opinion is because he's getting ready for Tesla. He's gearing up for Tesla to start accepting Dogecoin, and he knows that it will be a massive event. In a very long corrections phase, which is awesome because for every long corrections phase always comes a long bull run thereafter, and you're going to want to be in for that. He wants to stop tweeting in order to allow the suspense to build. Guys, he knows that people are waiting and watching his tweets for the next Dogecoin tweet so that it can go up. However, he's waiting and waiting so that when he finally tweets out, it'll mean that much more. Everything that Elon Musk says is already incredibly powerful and very much looked up to. However, the least he talks and the less he tweets out, the more people will inevitably respect, like, and share his tweets, and he knows this. The more Elon Musk started tweeting about Dogecoin, the less his tweets were starting to mean. He saw this, and so did everybody else. So he knows now to only tweet randomly about Dogecoin and for them to be very important tweets when he does tweet about it. He knows also that when we're on the uptrend again and when we are in a very strong bull run once again and he tweets out, guys, it'll mean that much more to the cryptocurrency market, to the Dogecoin market, and allow it to propel even further to the upside. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Also, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon yet, it's invaluable. It's incredibly cheap, and it's in my top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for those steep dips. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so you guys can buy in as well. And then as I'm watching the charts, I wait for a very steep peak. Guys, as we look at the Dogecoin chart, we see that our initial bottom was 28 cents right here, and we are moving up. Every single bottom gets higher and higher and higher. Guys, this is just a reminder that we are currently still on our bull run. This is a very bullish pattern because the lows keep getting higher. It's okay that our highs don't continue to get high. It can still mean it's bullish. And as it trades sideways, we see it consolidating, getting ready for a breakout to the upside. You want to get in during these infancy stages before it does moon, before it does skyrocket. You have FOMO and then wish you got in beforehand. You want to get in before we end up breaking our level of resistance at 31 cents. Once again, as you can see right here, because once it does break that level of resistance, there's a lot of expert traders that have a trade signal. They wait for that trade alert to see that it did break that level of resistance, and then they buy in. And then it could skyrocket, and it may be very well too late to buy in at those infancy stages so that you can make maximum profits. Guys, just wait until the end of the month because there's still a lot of futures contracts expiring and a lot of people shorting Ethereum and Bitcoin, betting on it to go down, even though we know it'll go up and we know the cryptocurrency market is headed to the upside. What's suppressing the stock market currently is all of the FUD, the fake news that Goldman Sachs is putting out and others are putting out. Guys, it's making the stock market go down, the cryptocurrency market go down because it's scaring the smaller retail investors. They don't want to lose all their money. They don't want it to go to zero, even though I guarantee that it won't. They then end up selling and then regretting it in the long run. Guys, you don't want to be them. You don't want to have paper hands. You want to have diamond hands. And that's what my Patreon trade alerts help out with. Guys, expect to see some green days towards the end of this month, and especially next month with a very bullish month. It wouldn't surprise me if we got to the 40 to 50 cent range in July. It also wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin hit $45,000 to $50,000 next month. And as I've said previously, when Bitcoin goes up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market goes up as well. Even when the market's down, my crypto trade alerts are still very effective because with the volatility, with them being down, you get massive dips during these rare times that I let you guys know about. And then when we go up during this volatility, we still make massive profits, just as we have already if you've been taking my buy and sell trade alerts. Also, if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.